Here's a pair of JBL Tune 720 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to turn these on, off, put it in the pairing mode, and how to factory reset these. So first thing, if we look at the right ear cup, R for right, we have several buttons here, okay? We have a power button, you have volume up, volume down, and the play pause here in the middle, okay? So first thing is these are turned on. I'll know that these are turned on if there's a light there, or if not, I can tap on the power button and I see a light here, okay? So they're currently on. Let's turn these off. Press and hold that power button for 4 seconds or so. It just said power off. Then you can go ahead and let go, okay? To turn it on, same thing. Press and hold for 4 seconds, but when you turn it off, you want to wait like 5 seconds, and then when you turn it off, you want to wait 5 seconds and then try to turn it on again. Just wait till it's completely turned off, okay? So now it's off. Now let's turn it on. Press and hold this power button for 4 seconds, or until you see the light turn on, or until it says it's on, okay? So power button here, ready, set, go. It said power on, and I saw a light there, okay? So now it's on, okay? Now, I see a light here. I see a solid blue light here. I have a solid blue right here because that's indicating I'm connected to a device somewhere. So I'm actually connected to my my Android phone, my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, okay? So now let's just check if they're still on or not, okay? So the power button here, if I press that power button, I still get a solid blue light, again, because I'm connected to my Android phone. So let's go ahead and put this into pairing mode first, so then I can go ahead and connect to my iPhone instead, because it's already connected to my Android phone, okay? So now we have to put this into pairing mode, okay? So again, they're currently on. Let me go ahead and turn these off first, and then I'll put it into pairing mode. So they're on, so I'm gonna turn it off, press and hold for 4 seconds, or until it says power off, or until the light stops blinking, okay? So now it's totally off. Now this time to put it into pairing mode, because I was connected before, it would connect to my Android phone, I'm gonna press and hold this power button, and I'm gonna keep on holding until I get a fast blue blinking light here, which indicates it's in pairing mode. So power button here is currently off, power button here, press and hold, ready, set, go. Hold it. It said power on, still holding. Now it says pairing, and now I get a fast blue blinking light. Now I can let go. Now I'm in pairing mode. Now I can connect to my iPhone or my TV or another device. So from here, let me go ahead and get my iPhone, and I'll go to my settings here. And then from my settings on an iPhone, I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then it's still in pairing mode. So if I go all the way down the very bottom here, which is other devices, it should show up down here, everything that's in pairing mode. And there's the JBL 720 BT right there. So I can go ahead and tap on that right there. Connected. It just said connected on the headphones. And now let me scroll up here, and I see that it is connected right there. So now I'm connected to my my iPhone here, and actually, like I said, I was connected to my Android phone as well. So if I wanted to connect back to this, all I got to do is log back in, go to Bluetooth, and then find the JBLs, and I can just tap it, and it'll connect back to this phone, okay? Anyway, so we're connected right now to my iPhone here. Let's go ahead and do a factory reset. Factory reset is very simple here. First thing is make sure that the headphones are turned on. Make sure you see a light here. Let me tap this button. Okay, I see a solid light here because now it's connected to my iPhone. So now with it on, all you have to do is press and hold 2 buttons, okay? The volume up and the volume down. You want to press and hold it for about 10 seconds, okay? So again, make sure it's turned on. Volume down, volume up, volume up, volume down. Ready, set, go. And count to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It said power off. Keep on holding. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let go. And then automatically it should jump back into pairing mode. We just factory reset it. Now here's the thing. Say for instance, I want to connect back to my Android phone or my iPhone or my TV because I was paired to it before. If I go to my Bluetooth, you can still see in my devices in the pairing list, these JBL should still be in here. It doesn't delete it out of here, okay? So what I have to do is I have to forget this device, or you're on an Android phone, you click on like unpair. Samsung TV, it says like unpair or delete, but I have to forget the device first, okay? Now I can scroll down and I have to reconnect it back down here. I have to, under other devices, I have to wait for it to show up. It's still in pairing mode, it's not showing up. So what I'll do is I'll just rescan it, or I'll just turn Bluetooth off. and I'll turn it back on, and now it should show back up down here, other devices, and now I can connect back to my iPhone. And it just said connected, and you can see we're back to connected right there. So pretty simple. Hope that helped you guys out.